Welcome to France, a country that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the birth of artistic movements, and the pursuit of liberty and equality. France is a cultural and political country that changed the course of history with its revolutionary spirit and intellectual enthusiasm. But France is not just a storehouse of history and culture. It is a country with breathtaking landscapes and iconic landmarks. It offers a wide variety of natural wonders, from the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the sun-kissed beaches of the French Riviera. So, join us on this journey as we unveil the 10 most beautiful and popular cities of France, from the iconic landmarks to the historical sites. These cities offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of France. Let's begin our adventure. Number 10. Annecy. Welcome to the Pearl of the French Alps, Annecy, a picturesque city nestled on the shores of an enchanting turquoise lake. Lose yourself in the charm of Annecy's cobblestone streets and romantic canals that wind through the medieval Old Town. Every corner reveals a postcard-perfect view, transporting you to a fairy tale setting. Explore the rich history of Annecy at the iconic Annecy Castle, perched atop a hill overlooking the city. Admire its medieval architecture and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding snow-capped mountains and shimmering lake. Number 9. Avignon. Located in southeast France on the left bank of the Rhine River, Avignon is a city rich in history and architectural splendor. Its most famous landmark is the Palais des Papes, a magnificent fortress and papal residence that dates back to the 14th century. Avignon's medieval city walls, picturesque streets, and the iconic Pont d'Avignon Bridge contribute to its timeless allure, making it a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through the narrow, cobbled streets of Avignon and immerse yourself in the medieval charm that still permeates the city. Number 8. Mont Saint-Michel. Our next destination takes us to the inspiring island commune of Mont Saint-Michel, located in Normandy. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has been a place of pilgrimage for centuries. The island's strategic location, accessible only at low tide, made it a natural fortress. Mont Saint-Michel's Abbey, perched atop the rocky island, has stood since the 8th century, serving as a place of spiritual contemplation and attracting pilgrims from all over Europe. Number 7. Strasbourg. Moving to the northeastern part of France, we arrive in the captivating city of Strasbourg. Strasbourg holds immense importance as the official seat of the European Parliament, symbolizing the unity of European nations. Strasbourg's historic center, Grande Allée, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its remarkable Gothic architecture, including the iconic Strasbourg Cathedral. The city's strategic location on the border between France and Germany has shaped its unique blend of French and German influences. Number 6. Cannes. Let's take a detour to the glamorous city of Cannes, situated on the French Riviera. Renowned for its prestigious International Film Festival, Cannes is a playground for the rich and famous, attracting celebrities, filmmakers, and luxury seekers from around the world. Nestled between the azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea and the stunning backdrop of the Southern Alps, Cannes offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and sophistication. The city is blessed with pristine sandy beaches, where you can soak up the sun and enjoy the refreshing Mediterranean breeze. Number 5. Bordeaux. Venturing west to the renowned wine region of Bordeaux, we discover a city with a rich viticultural heritage. Located in the Nouvelle-Aquitaine region, Bordeaux is world famous for its exceptional wines. The city's location near the Garonne River has made it a significant trading center throughout history. Bordeaux's historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcasing its stunning architecture and reflecting its role as a hub of wine production and trade. Number 4. Nice. Heading south to the French Riviera, we arrive at the glamorous city of Nice. Situated on the pebbled shores of the Mediterranean Sea, Nice has long been a favorite destination for sunseekers and artists alike. Its strategic location along the stunning Côte d'Azur has made it a cultural melting pot, attracting visitors from around the world. Nice offers a delightful blend of natural beauty, with its azure waters, vibrant promenade, and picturesque old town, which exudes the charm of the Mediterranean. Number 3. Lyon. Heading east to the Rhône-Alpes region, we reach Lyon. Situated at the confluence of the Rhône and Saône rivers, Lyon holds a prominent place in French history and culture. The city played a crucial role during the Roman era and served as a major trading center during the Renaissance. Lyon is known for its rich gastronomy, remarkable architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. Its historical center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcases the city's architectural heritage and its position as a hub of arts, music, and theater. Number 2. Marseille. Moving south to the Mediterranean coast, We arrive at Marseille that captivates visitors with its rich heritage, breathtaking landscapes, and cultural diversity. Marseille is the second largest city in France and holds significant historical importance. As the oldest city in the country, Marseille has been a bustling port since ancient times, serving as a gateway to the Mediterranean world. Today, it is a vibrant and multicultural city, known for its vibrant art scene, delectable cuisine, and stunning coastal views. Number 1. Paris. Welcome to the city of love, Paris, where romance, culture, and history converge in a magical symphony of beauty and charm. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the majestic Louvre Museum, Paris is a treasure trove of architectural marvels and cultural icons. As you stroll along the vibrant streets of Paris, you'll be captivated by the lively ambience, charming cafes, and fashionable boutiques that line the boulevards. Cruise along the romantic Seine River, passing under the enchanting bridges that have inspired countless artists and writers. As night falls, witness the City of Lights truly come alive. The Eiffel Tower sparkles against the night sky, casting its magical glow over the city. As our journey through the 10 most beautiful cities of France comes to a close, we bid farewell to this enchanting country. From the iconic landmarks of Paris to the sun-soaked beaches of Nice, from the vineyards of Bordeaux to the canals of Strasbourg, each city has painted a vivid picture of its unique character and allure. We bid you farewell from France. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.